we living by the motto when it's pretty and petty. Pretty and petty, yeah, we pretty and petty. So I comment on her pic, cause I'm pretty and petty. Pretty and petty, yeah, I'm pretty and petty. I'm pretty and petty.
I wanna make you a wine up on me, so yeah, you fall in love. Me buy you a ticket.
So I'm gonna go straight into this tutorial today. This is the look I wore for my birthday. I'm gonna be going into the Morphe palette and taking this yellow shade and building up my transition color. Then I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and I'm gonna be taking Fudge. And I'm gonna be placing that in my outer corner, in my inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to build up the shadow as if it was a halo eye, but this won't be a halo eye. This would be kind of like a cut crease look. It didn't give me the pigmentation that I really wanted, so now I'm going to go in and take red ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette and place that on top of it, giving it more of a burgundy type look. Then I'm just going to be blending that out. Now I'm going to be adding in All Star from the Subculture palette, and I'm just placing that right on top of red ochre and then blending that in. Now to build the transition back up, I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade and this purple pinkish shade and putting that just above where the transition from the yellow to brown starts, and then I'm going to be blending that in. And then I'm going to be taking that yellow shade again and just placing that on top of the pink and the purple shade. Now I'm just blending till my arm hurts because I need to get this eyeshadow look blended and snatched, sis. Like, I'm going to take Rowdy from the Subculture palette and just add a little of that with a pencil brush to the inner and outer corner of my eye. And then when I'm blending this, I'm going to focus this more towards the outskirts of my eye because I don't want it to overpower the look and take away all that transition, because girl, that was a lot to blend. Like, fast, slim, thick, she my drug, she my, and I'm all up in her, man, she be. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer and New Money from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. I didn't want to over exaggerate this look, so I just followed my natural lid shape. Now I'm going to be blending that pink shade in with the Rowdy color. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be adding my blush pink glitter on top. I'm just putting another layer of the NYX glitter primer and then patting the glitter on. And then after you finish applying the glitter, just wipe away any excess eyeshadow fallout or glitter fallout, and then apply a little bit of liner to your lash line and a little bit of liner to your waterline. Then you gotta make sure your eyelashes is popping, so we're gonna put some mascara on and then placing this Vegas Nay Eyelure eyelashes in Bronze Beauty. Now onto the face, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Prep Primer and this Glam Glow Glow Starter Primer and mixing that in. Then I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever HD Foundation and my Fenty Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. Now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, and I'm going to place that on wherever I want to highlight. And once I place that on and blend it, I'm going to be applying the Ben Nye Banana Powder and setting it. While I'm baking, I'm going to go in and take Rowdy and place that on my waterline. Now I'm going to be taking the ABH contour kit in medium to tan. I'm going to be taking the shade Cinnamon and just contouring wherever I want to chisel out my face. Now I'm going to be applying blush from this e.l.f. palette. Once I've applied the blush, I'm going to be wiping away powder from my head, my nose, and my chin, and just a little bit from under my eye. I'm going to outline my lips with this brown liner and then blend it in with a brush. And then I'm going to be taking Dusty Rose from Anastasia Beverly Hills, applying that in the middle of my lips and then blending it out with a brush. Once I finish applying my lips, I'm going to be wiping away any bake that was left on my face and blending my whole face out. For the finishing touch, I'm going to be taking this MAC highlight shade in Blushing Beam and applying that all where I want to highlight on my cheekbones, my forehead, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my lips, and my chin. Because, girl, you gotta be slayed to the gods. And then I'm going to be applying the NYX setting spray. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And also hit the red subscribe button down below. And I'll see you next time.
I wanna make you a wine up on me, so yeah, you fall in love. Let me buy you a ticket to